Welcome back to Silverback Garage. This is the second part of our hose installation using the hose candy covers. Now in the previous video, we saw the strategies for putting the cover on, how to prepare each hose, and I'm actually going to install it now. I apologize if I get in the way of the camera for a short while. I will try and minimize that. But let's go. Okay, this is what we built during the first video. We have our BOA clamp there. We have our final trim heat shrink, and then we have the other BOA clamp there. Okay, so now let's bring this down. My BOA clamp, I'm gonna put it right on the edge of my hose, and I'm just going to slide that in. There you go. Same with this one. You're going to need a little convincing. Put it right there. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to heat shrink the BOA clamps. I'm going to keep the heat away from the final trim. So here we go. I invented this. I didn't invent it. This is just roofing, flashing. Put it on some vice grips. It's going to keep the heat away from other parts and hopefully also focus it. Okay, BOA clamp, what are you going to do for me? Now, you can tell you're doing good because it's going to get shiny. So start the clamp, and I'm going to go around. We'll go around, try and keep the heat in all the way around. Okay, don't want to overdo it, but I don't want to underdo it either. So here we go, here we go. Go from underneath again. See it getting pretty shiny. Pretty shiny. Could be my imagination, but I actually think I can see the BOA clamp tightening against the hose. Come on, BOA, you can do it. Okay, I'm gonna call it good. Yeah, it's nice and shiny. Now here's what I'm going to do. You can do the other clamp, but I don't want to do the other clamp now. Just want to go to the next step. I'm going to put my fabric. Now, be quick about this because that hose is hot. So when you put this on, be quick about it. There you go. Make sure that it is oriented the way you want it. And let's try this. See how it's shrinking already? There we go. Okay. You don't need too much heat for this one, because this is just the final touch to trim. I can see it, it's already in there. Alright, same step for the next one, but I'm sure you got the gist of heat shrinking. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.